So, the approach that I like to take when it comes to self-esteem is really more akin to developing a sense of self-compassion and acceptance. We need to push. We need to grow. But being a judge, looking over your shoulder unforgivingly isn't going to get you there. And developing a sense of it's okay to fail. It's okay. It's human to not be perfect is really a key here. What self-compassion really boils down to is the acceptance of imperfection, that the imperfection exists now, holding that in one hand, but then holding in the other hand a drive and a passion to become more, not because of some dictatorial judge who's sitting on your shoulder, but because there's a real passion and love of life, that there's a real sense of meaning and wanting to strive for something that's so important in having a rich life, which you don't get with that judge. So it might be a better way of thinking about self-esteem, not so much, how good are you or how many points have you racked up, but developing an accepting attitude that you are a creature with inherent worth no matter how you slice it. And a part of that inherent worth means that there is infinite amount of growth that's possible, to the point where keeping score doesn't make sense. There's an infinite amount of points to be made. And that what's more important is being open and accepting of failure and being okay with not measuring up right now. Because that's just one step in growth. And that's not the end of the story. And really those lackings and those deficits are really just a compass of where you need to go, and are actually a companion in life that you need to carry with you, because that's what's going to help you sort out, well, where is it most effective? Where is it most beautiful to go? Because it's going to be where it hurts. That's where the meaning of life is to be found, is where you feel the most lacking. So by switching around, this whole system here of, well, okay, no, it's not about how many points you've earned. It's not how good you are, but it's about what you could always be. Well, that's the key to having self-esteem, is this unconditional self-compassion that you're only human.